In this video, we're going to take a look at how to solve a system of equations using the method substitution. In order to use substitution to solve a system of linear equations, one of your equations needs to be isolated for one of its variables. So it needs to say x equals something or y equals something, because then we can take that value that x or y is equal to and substitute it back into our other equation, hence using substitution. So first thing we have to do is figure out what variable we want to isolate and from what equation. So if we're looking at this, I can see that my second equation has a pretty nice setup so that I can isolate my x here, and giving us a pretty nice means of using substitution. So I'm going to add 2y to both sides to give myself the equation x equals 2y plus 1. So I can then take this value here, 2y plus 1, that x is equal to, and substitute it in for x in our first equation. So we're going to go ahead and do that. So I'm going to get 2 times what x was, and we know x is 2y plus 1, equals, not equals, plus 3y equals 9. So we can go through and distribute the 2. So we get 4y plus 2 plus 3y equals 9. Combine like terms, we're going to get 7y plus 2 equals 9. Subtracting 2, we get that 7y equals 7. Dividing, we get that y is 1. Now, if you recall when we talked about how to find the solution to a system, a solution is represented as a point of intersection. So if it's a point of intersection, we know that we need both an x and a y coordinate to represent our solution. We just have a y. To figure out the x coordinate, we take this y value and plug it back into one of our equations. It actually doesn't matter which one, because this point should lie on both of them. You can plug it back into the original equations, or you could plug it back into your new transformed equation, which is what I'm going to do because this one is already isolated for x. So take y and plug it back in, and we're going to get that x equals 2 times 1 plus 1. So x is going to equal, that's 2 plus 1, which is 3. So if we write our system as an ordered pair, or sorry, our solution as an ordered pair, it would be 3, 1. So this is our solution to our system.